Enter a new era in engineering with VIKTOR. VIKTOR is the low-code development platform that enables engineers and other domain experts to automate and improve their workflow by creating powerful and user-friendly applications with nothing but Python. Upload your apps to your company's cloud environment, from where you can distribute knowledge throughout your whole organization. With centralized distribution, controlled access, and the latest safety protocols, IT doesn't have to worry about a thing. And the rest of your team is also happy because they can always use the applications they need to collaborate on the perfect solution for every project. We also provide insights into how your applications are used to help you understand best which apps provide the most value and how you can improve adoption. And you can explore new business models too by offering your apps to other organizations while keeping your intellectual property 100% safe. Do you want to know more about VIKTOR? Feel free to contact us. Our experts are ready to help you enter a new era in engineering today. VIKTOR. Automate the boring, engineer the awesome.